The world's changing faster than ever, and at the center of it all is artificial intelligence. But what if I told you that AI isn't just changing how we work or learn? It's changing what it means to be human. From synthetic consciousness to AI-powered emotions, the next steps aren't upgrades, they're transformations. We've already seen AI assist in legal research, drafting contracts, even predicting court rulings. But researchers are now training language models to propose laws and evaluate policies based on millions of past cases. Imagine an AI legislature analyzing global data in real time to create optimized laws. No more slow bureaucracy. But who decides what's fair? With deepfakes and voice cloning evolving rapidly, brands are already testing virtual influencers that never age, get canceled, or make mistakes. But the next wave? Digital clones of real people, trained on their data, gestures, and speech. You could keep following your favorite creators, even after they're gone. AI isn't just learning language, it's learning emotion. Emotion AI can already detect micro-expressions, vocal tones, and subtle cues. Next-gen bots will be better negotiators, therapists, even manipulators, reading your feelings before you do. Some ethicists are already debating, if an AI becomes conscious, does it deserve rights? When an AI can suffer, hope, or even fear deletion, denying it rights becomes morally complex. We may soon see AI citizenship debated in the real world, not just science fiction. What if an entire country was run by algorithms? No human leaders, just data-driven logic. With digital democracies rising and blockchain governments already in testing, it's not a crazy idea. Some tech futurists believe that AI-run micronations will exist within the next 10 to 15 years. Would you move to one? The future of AI isn't just about tools or tech, it's about us. Will we stay in control or become part of something entirely new? If you're ready to explore where humanity's heading, don't forget to subscribe to CurioScope, because the next episode might just change your future.